Hi everyone, Windows 11 includes built-in color filters that might help people with vision loss or color vision deficiencies. To set up a filter, open Windows Settings. When Settings opens, click Accessibility in the sidebar and then select Color Filters. In Color Filters settings, flip the switch beside Color Filters to On. You'll see a list of 6 filters that are selectable by circular radio buttons. If it is not expanded already, click the Color Filters bar to expand the menu. Click the circular button beside the color filter option that you'd like to use. If you like to enable the quick keyboard shortcut that allows you to quickly toggle color filters on or off. To do so, flip the switch beside keyboard shortcut for color filters to on. I hope you like. Thanks for watching the video.